Hi, my name is Katie. I'm a designer here at Mixpanel, and today I will be doing a demo of our new Discover page. This is a feature we've heard a lot of requests for, so I'm excited to be walking through it. So content discovery is challenging. It's challenging for existing users who are making a bunch of boards, tracking a bunch of metrics. They're unsure if people are finding the right content that they've been creating. And then on the flip side, new users just aren't sure where to even start. They're not sure what reports to be looking for, what boards to be looking for. But one thing we've noticed are they often know their teammates' names. And that's something we've included in our new Discover page, an explicit way to find content created by specific individuals. So you can go here, filter for people, and find all the content this person has created. If you're unsure of where to start, we've also included this suggested creators bar at the top, where you can see the top people who are making the most boards or reports that are being viewed by other teammates. So you can again click here and view all of their content. And one additional way we've made it easier for these new users to get started is we've included a gallery view, so you can quickly glaze through and see what the board or the report might look like before clicking into it. So let's say you're on this board and you're looking at different funnels and you want to go to the next report. You don't always have to navigate back to the Discover page. What we've also included is a quick, you can Command K, keyboard shortcut, type ahead, and find that next report that you wanted to look for, all from the top nav. So in our new Discover page, you can not only find all the content that your team has created, browse through it in a gallery view, or search by person, you can also access all this content via the top nav. So Discover will be the new landing page when you log into Mixpanel. It'll be the place to go to launch off and find different boards and reports. It's a place where you can go to find the most recently created content. Thanks for watching.